happy. We like to congratulate all the winners. We like to congratulate all the participants, over 2,800 participants all over Goa, and out of that 20 finalists went to quarterfinals. So it's a very, very historic day, very momentous day, and we all are extremely delighted to have the newest winner of the Future Chef Goa, and we'd like to congratulate him.
Good evening, everybody, and welcome to IAM IFC 2019. After all these months of grueling and struggling and competing, out of our 800 students, we have finally closed down to top 10 and then finally the top 3 winners. So winner is Riyaz Sayed, and he is the winner of IAM Future Chef Goa 2019.